Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background color of a ClickUp document. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you got started using ClickUp and you want to go ahead and change the background color of a document. Let's take, for example, this here. Now, I've been trying to figure this out, and there's only one workaround that I've been able to figure out. So if you have any other ideas, let me know in the comments down below, because I don't think this is a one-size-fits-all type solution. But in order to change the background of this document, what I've done was that on the upper right hand corner, if you click on your profile icon, then go ahead and click on themes. You have different themes here, and I was only able to change it to a dark theme so that the documents on my ClickUp, it now changes to a darker theme. So if I go ahead and go back to themes, change it to light, it now changes to a white paper instead of a dark paper. But that's the best and easiest way that I've been able to figure out on how to change the background of a ClickUp document. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.